This is the first task for the Sparks Foundation GRIP program in the section of Data Science and Business Analytics. In this task, we were supposed to use prediction using supervised learning, and we were supposed to predict what a student would score depending on how much time they study. So this was a simple linear regression problem, and I used Python and Jupyter's Notebook to perform this problem. This is the Jupyter's Notebook that I created. Initially, I installed the necessary libraries, and after that, I imported NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib for plotting and linear regression, as this was a linear regression model. I also imported train test split so that I could split my data into train and test parts to see that if it works properly on unseen data sets. And I also imported metrics to see how well the algorithm actually performs. So initially I imported the data from the URL, which was in CSV format. So I put that in the data variable as a data frame, after which I extracted the uh, features and put them in X, and the target variable, which was the score in this case, was put in Y. After this, a scatter plot was created to visualize the dataset, and as you can see, this graph also shows that a linear regression model suits best for this particular problem. After that, I split the variables and the features into train and test sets. I instantiated the linear regression model. I fit the data, predicted it, and using the metrics, uh, I printed the accuracy of the model. After that, we were supposed to predict how much a student would score if they studied for a particular number of hours. Um, Here, those number of hours were basically uh, I basically changed them. If we put 3, it predicts that a person would score 31%, and in the task we were supposed to check if how much they would score at 9.25, and if we run it right now, we'll have to go back for a second and run all these. And it would predict that the student would score 92.38% if they studied for 9.25 hours. This was the recording for this particular task. Thank you.